our part 2. You have learned about some water animal in part 1, right? So in this part we learn about some other water animal. So let's start. The first water animal, it is dolphin. So the first, dolphin. Now let's see about the dolphin. Dolphin is a big, friendly and intelligent fish. Dolphin is a big, friendly in nature, that is friendly, and the intelligent fish. Intelligent, that means very clever, यानी होशियार होना, right? So our first hard word is intelligent. So here I am going to write the hard words. So our first hard word is intelligent. Intelligent, that means very clever. Okay, so a dolphin is very big, friendly and intelligent, that means very clever fish, right? Now dolphin lives in a sea or in a river. यानी डॉल्फिन रिवर में भी रहती है, दैट इज द स्मॉल वाटर बॉडी, एंड द इन द बिग वाटर बॉडी आल्सो, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सी. So we can see the dolphin in river and also in the sea, right? Now let's see another about the dolphin. The dolphin can hear both inside the water and outside the water. यानी डॉल्फिन अच्छे से सुन सकती है inside the water and outside the water, right? That's why dolphin is a very intelligent, right? Now dolphin can hunt together and eat fish together. Now many dolphin hunt together. Hunt यानी शिकार करना. डॉल्फिन एक साथ मिलकर शिकार करती है and fish eat fish together यानी साथ में मिलकर खाना खाती है. Now hunt, that means शिकार करना. Hunt, that means catch or kill birds or animal. Okay, so our next hard word is hunt. Hunt, that means catch or kill birds or animals. Okay, so what is the meaning of hunt? Catch or kill यानी पकड़ना बर्ड्स और एनिमल, दैट शिकार करना किसी बर्ड्स या एनिमल का. तो मैनी डॉल्फिन्स हंट्स टुगेदर इन ईट फिश टुगेदर यानी वो साथ मिलकर शिकार करती है और साथ में मिलकर अपना शिकार को खाना खाती है. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द डॉल्फिन. नाउ लेट्स सी द डॉल्फिन इन लाइव पिक्चर.
Here you can see the picture of dolphin. Dolphin is a big, friendly and intelligent animal because they can see and hear very well inside the water and outside the water. It live in a sea or in a river. Many dolphins hunt and eat fish together.
Now let's see about the another water animal, that is whale. Whale. So our second water animal is whale. Okay. Now whale is the biggest sea animal. Okay, the whale is the biggest sea animal यानी सबसे बड़ा, दरिया में सबसे बड़ा एनिमल कौन सा है? Whale. Whale is a one kind of fish that is the biggest animal in the sea. Okay. Now how they breathe? The whale breathe with the help of hole that which is present on its head. Okay. Now whale comes at the top of the water and breathe through a hole which is present on its head. Okay, whale कैसे ब्रीथ करती है? whale को ब्रीथ करने के लिए पानी की सरफेस पे आना पड़ता है. Come out top of the water और वो पानी के बाहर आती है यानी top of the water आती है and breathe through the hole और वो एक hole होता है which is present on its head, उससे वो ब्रीथ करती है. Okay. Now whale talk to each other by making clickling and making whistling sound. Now clickling and making whistling sound. So whistling, that means clear sharp sound. Whale एक दूसरे से बात करती है, right? So whales talk to each another by clickling and whistling sound. Whistling, that means clear, sharp sound. Okay, so our next hard word is whistling. Whistling, that means making clear and sharp sound. Okay, now well talk to each other by clicking and whistling sound. Whistling, that means clear and sharp sound. Clear? So this is about the well. Now let's see the well in the live picture.
Here you can see the biggest animal of the sea named whale. The whale come up the top of the water and breathe through a hole on the top of its head. As you know, we breathe through our nose. The whale breathe through a hole which is present on the top of its head. Whales talk to each other by making clicking and whistling sounds.
Now let's see about the next water animal, that is crab. Okay, so our third water animal is crab. Now crab has a flat body and 10 legs. Crab की body होती है flat and it has 10 legs. Okay, उनके 10 legs होते हैं, 10 legs. And the body is a hard shell. उसकी body बहुत ही hard होती है, like a shell. Okay, the body is a hard shell, right? Now in the body, the first 2 legs look like a big arm in front side to hold the food. Now crab के जो 2 आगे वाले legs होते हैं, in front sides there are first 2 legs, that is big and in front sides to hold the food. उससे वो अपना खाने को, अपने food को पकड़ते हैं, to hold the food. Okay, so the crab can run and walk sideways. That means crab दौड़ सकते हैं और चल सकते हैं sideways से. That means in body portion there is a middle, there is a body portion and the legs, that is the side way. There are 10 legs in the side way. Okay, so that can run and walk sideways. So crab has a flat body, in its body is a hard shell and it has 10 legs. First 2 legs look like a big arm in front side to hold the food and it can run and walk sideways. This is the description of crab. Now let's see the crab in the live picture.
Here you can see the picture of crab. A crab has a flat body and 10 legs. The body is a hard shell. The first 2 legs are like big arms in front to hold food. It can only run and walk sideways.
Now let's see about the next water animal, that is shark. Now our next water animal is shark. Okay, now a shark is a big fish. One kind of fish है और बहुत बड़ी होती है. Shark is a big fish with many sharp teeth. Now a shark has many sharp teeth. Shark के बहुत सारे धारदार दांत होते हैं. It is a big fish and it has many sharp teeth. Okay. Now a shark has a very good sense of smell. यानी उससे बहुत अच्छी ability होती है to smell something. Okay. This is the sense of smell. Shark can able to smell anything. It is very good sense of smell. It has very good sense of smell. Now a shark can swim very fast और वो बहुत ही fast पानी में swim करती है. Okay, it can be swim very fast. So this is the description about the shark. Now let's see the shark in live picture.
Now let's see the most dangerous fish of the sea named shark. A shark is a very big fish with many sharp teeth. It has a very good sense of smell and it can swim very fast.
So this is our lesson 2 in English, right? So in this lesson you have learned about many water animals. In first part, you have learned about starfish, jellyfish, octopus and seahorse, right? And in this part, you have learned about the water animal, dolphin, whale, crab and about shark. So this is our lesson 2, wonders in the water. So I hope you cleared the concept of these water animals. Thank you.